हे गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग। वेलकम बैक टू माय न्यू व्लॉग। आज का व्लॉग मैं शुरू कर रहा हूँ अपना कुछ सुबह के 7 बजे, मतलब कि आज का व्लॉग देखो सुबह 7:05 पे शुरू कर रहा हूँ। और इस वक्त जो मैं अपना आई कार्ड लेने के लिए आया हुआ था अपना ऊपर वाले कमरे में, क्योंकि कल एनडी का पेपर देने गए हुए थे ना, तो मतलब कि फिर आई कार्ड इसी में बैग में रखा हुआ था अपना, तो ये अपना आई कार्ड लेने आया था मैं। और बाकी देखो, अभी तो मैं पूरी तरह से रेडी हूँ, बस खाना खाना हैगा और इसके बाद फिर अपन निकल रहेंगे सीधा स्कूल के लिए। और आज जो हैगा अपना हिस्ट्री का पेपर, मतलब कि भाई एक तो पढ़ा भी नहीं कुछ हिस्ट्री में, और जो पहले पढ़ रखा था मतलब बस वही याद है। तो भाई पता नहीं कैसे, पहले तो लग रहा था कि हाँ भाई सब कुछ पढ़ रखा है, एकदम टिप टॉप है, टिप ऑन टंग। लेकिन अब बाद में जब रात में पढ़ा मैंने थोड़ा बहुत, तो ऐसा लग रहा कि भाई ये क्या है, ये तो अभी देखा, मतलब कॉन्सेप्ट जस्ट ये बुक में था भी। तो मतलब ऐसा कुछ रिएक्शन आ रहा था मेरा। तो अभी देखो, इतना तो हैगा कि हाँ अपना पास होने का पढ़ ले कर लेंगे। लेकिन मैंने एक चीज़ जो है नोट करी हैगी कि अगर जैसे तुमको पेपर में अच्छा स्कोर करना है ना, तो अपना एसएसटी को सब लोग हल्के में ले लेते कि भाई हाँ एक बार में हो जाएगी, एक बार में हो जाएगी, लेकिन ना लिखा नहीं जाता फिर बाद में। तो अभी जो एक नोट पॉइंट नोट किया है मैंने कि हाँ भाई अगर अच्छा स्कोर करना है तो एक चैप्टर की ही थ्योरी और क्वेश्चन आंसर जो है बहुत अच्छे से आनी चाहिए, मतलब कि हेडिंग देख के समझ जाओगी नीचे पूरा क्या लिखा हुआ है। तो अब जो हैगा ये पेपर अपन दे देते हैंगे। आज हिस्ट्री का है, फिर फिजिकल का, फिर साइकोलॉजी का। तो ये पेपर जो है अपने दे देते, देखते कितने नंबर आते हैं। फिर इसके बाद जो है अपनी अच्छे से तैयारी करेंगे, जैसे मैंने कहा टिप ऑन टंग रखने की कोशिश करेंगे सारी चीज़ें। तो मतलब कि प्लान तो मेरा भाई यही है कि हाँ ऐसे रखेंगे टिप ऑन टंग, लेकिन पर आगे देखते हुए क्या प्लानिंग बनाते हैं। अभी देखो जल्दी से मैं निकलता हूँ अपना स्कूल के लिए, आके मिलते हैं। Okay, so guys, this is the time at which I am going to eat my lunch. Means it's the breakfast, you can say, means it is the food which I eat usually at 10:30 am during the lunch time. But because there was our exam and the lunch didn't happen, so I am eating the food after coming back from school, and it's somewhat 12:30 of the afternoon, and you can say the afternoon is going to over, means what I am saying, yeah, ye chodo. So at this time I am eating dahi and roti, and before this dahi and roti I had eaten, means I had eaten a dora cake before this dahi and roti. And after 1 hour I am going to eat the lunch again with you can say with dahi or with Maggie and anda. So it's not predictable, it depends on my mom, so what will she make in the afternoon. So let's eat the lunch first, and after that I am going to make you guys see our English and history exam, and I am going to tell you guys something about the NDA exam also. So wait, let me eat the food first. Okay, so I am back now, and I am with my exams paper of history and English, and I am going to give you a quick overview about my exam. Means let me tell you what our teachers has done in the English and history exam. Wait. If these exams are held in your schools also, please let me know, because the English exam I would say that it was okay, means the questions and the paragraph was okay, means I found the first paragraph easy, but the other children said that the second one was more easier. And I have to tell you guys one thing, that the exam paper should be read very wisely, because I missed this 2 marker question because it was hidden from my eyes. Means I had read it all 2 times and also these 2 times, but as you all know, my eyes missed this question and I lost 2 marks, means I have only done 78 marks. So I am going to score from that. And also the section B writing, I had leave the last question of writing a report and an article. So the both had came, and I had just completed them somehow, and I am not going to get more marks than 2 or 1.5 in that one, I guess so. And also the section B writing skill, that is of 18 marks. I suppose that I will get only 12 or 13, because I had not written in a wise manner, and also I had forgotten to write means I had written more than 20 to 30 notices, letters, but I was not able to write at that point of time when I was writing in the exam, because I had not made a practice of writing the letters. So you can say that a practice is necessary for making the notice, the invitation, and also the letter writing, and also the articles. So I am going to do it well for the pre-boards and also for the literature part. This is of 40 marks. You can see the literature part is of 40 marks. So I am going to get for 38 out of 40. I suppose if the ma'am is going to check it wisely, so I will get more than 35, it's sure. But I had made in the answer, so I am also quite afraid if I will not get about 35. So leave this one. And also I had written a poem for the school magazine the previous day, and you can read how I was making it. So I will introduce the poem in some another video because I am shy this time. So leave it for now. And also this is our history exam, which was of 80 marks. And also I had I had read all the chapters, but I don't know why after sitting in the exam I forgot all the chapters. Means before the exam I was like कि हाँ भाई सब कुछ पढ़ रखा है, सब कुछ टिप ऑन टंग हो रखा हैगा, लेकिन हाँ पेपर में बैठने के बाद वही कुछ ऐसा लगने लगा कि हाँ भाई ये क्या हो गया, मतलब कि पढ़ा तो सब यूँ था भाई, लेकिन अब तुम समझ ही सकते हो कि भाई पेपर में यार बैठने के बाद जो है मैं पेपर मतलब अचानक से भूल गया यार। तो मतलब सबके साथ ही होता है ये। तो अगली बार जो है हमको अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करके जानी है। अब अगली बार क्यों कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि अब जो है हमारा एक ही पेपर बचा है, वो है साइकोलॉजी का। So now I am going to start the preparation of the psychology, and also I want to tell you guys something that I have only read the first chapter of psychology's book. So I am going to complete the 3 chapters. You can say self and personality, meeting life challenges, and physical psychological disorders in 7 days. Means we are having a 7-day vacation for the psychology exam. So you can say I am going to cheer up. Means I am going to tear up the psychology exam. I think so. But let's forget about it. I was going to show you the history exam, so you can read the questions. The first question was quite easy, and after that means you can say means you can say I had not read these 2 chapters, and also I have told that I had forgotten all the points in my points and also the chapters after sitting in the exam. So I do not hope very much from the history exam. And also I want to tell you something that I have didn't read in the 24 markers questions, means of the 8 questions of 8 markers. I hadn't read it well, so I just wrote about them, and after writing my friends caught up that I had written all the answers wrong of the 8 markers. So you can say I have just leave the 24 markers questions, means I have just leave the 24 marks for the teacher to eat up. So you can say I don't have that much of hope from my history exam. And also now we are going to have means I am going to tell you the good notification like this from today. It does not seem good, so let me see it. We are having a 1 week holiday from now, because the psychologist exam is on next Wednesday, and between we don't have any exam, so we all guys are having a holiday. And also I am going to lead up the holiday in my home with my mobile, so you can say I am going to study a little. And also
उसमें देखो देख इतनी सूज कैसे गई तेरी आँख लाल हो गई ऊपर से भाई काट तो नहीं लिया कुछ आँख में दिखा इसमें देख ये देख कैसे हो गई सूज गई भाई
दिखाई दे देख दे देखिए देख इधर पे, ये देख, कलबल भी हो रही तेरे, फिर क्या हो रहा है? कुछ नहीं हो रहा। और वो दर्द कहीं पे, फिर पी लिया। इसलिए क्या आँखों आँखों में देते हैं यार, वो गंदा रात में यार, भूल ने तो रात कर दिया।
भाई ऐसा कुछ नहीं आएगा, ये सेकंड डे की रिकॉर्डिंग आएगी। और मैं तुम लोगों को बता दूं कि मेरे जो सोतो ही कुछ काट लिया था भाई आँख के ऊपर, क्योंकि बिस्तर जो झड़का नहीं रखा था ना, तो कुछ काट लिया था भाई। और उसकी वजह से आँख जो काफ़ी ज़्यादा सूज गई। और मैं जो फिज़िकल एजुकेशन के एग्ज़ाम का जो है पढ़ नहीं पाया था, तो मतलब तुम समझ सकते हो क्या हुआ होगा पेपर में। तो मतलब कि आँख मेरी पता नहीं कैसे काफ़ी ज़्यादा सूज सी गई थी यार, कुछ काट लिया था। तो ऐसा कुछ मत समझना जैसे बोल रहे हो लोग वीडियो में, ठीक है।
Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.